Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play this really cool study called Easy Come Easy Go. It's in the grade 5 ABRSM list by John Sands. Now in my opinion, I think this is certainly favourite for those C list pieces. Well, in this book anyway. I haven't checked out all the list C pieces, but I think certainly in this book out the three, I think this is my favourite. Now the top F in the last line, I think that's going to be quite searching for young players to reach. But I think all in all, this is a great piece to play. See what you think to this. Okay, so now I'm going to play again that tricky part of the piece from bar 17 onwards, and I'm going to really slow it down. Try and play along with this and see if you can manage it at this tempo. I'm going to play it through at 104 BPM. Here we go, I'll count you 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first 16 bars are fairly straightforward. I think most grade 5 players are going to manage that okay. But just make sure that you make it sound rhythmically interesting. So try and make use of those accents. Try and make it sound nice and swingy and jazzy. So just little things like, just little sort of phrasing off like that at the end can make it sound nice. So try not to play it too plainly, just try and jazz it up a little bit. And then of course there's the accents as well. It's hard to know how much to sort of exaggerate those. I think if you exaggerate them too much, it's going to sound a bit silly, but try and get a bit of pointiness in those notes, I think. Now when I did this with a couple of pupils, just to get them to really play it in groups of 4, I really made them play it right down to the speed of around 90, around 92 BPM. And I think that was really good for just emphasizing the da 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 da, just to really make a point of playing those groups of 4s clearly. So commit to this section with a big confident sound. You've got the dynamics in your favor here. So don't play it with a thin, weedy little sound. Really give it some, loads of sound through the instrument. And as I mentioned in another video, when pupils play up here and it's right at the top end of where they can play on the instrument, they tend to really clamp up and make a tight sort of sound because they're overcompensating for those high notes. So try and avoid that at all costs. Make sure you've got plenty of sound, plenty of air going through the instrument to really fuel the instrument and really make it work. So don't let that get all really tight and squeaky. So you're just restricting the sound there, so loads of sound. And then of course on that last line, the tricky F. maybe you could try just going up that little arpeggio there and just hang on to that top note and just see how well you can stabilize that note. Let's talk about some dynamic contrast because it's left to the player's discretion here. So make sure you do put some dynamics in there. Just even little small dynamic changes can make a difference. Notice when I played bar 7, 8, 9 on bar 9. Just little things like that can sound quite quirky. And then also on the second to last line, you could go. So play that with a big sound and then. And then finish it off with a big sound. You certainly don't want to play that quietly, it's a bit dangerous. Okay, I think that's it for Easy Come, Easy Go. Hope you have a big success with that piece. I hope you play it really well, really confidently for your exam. If you did find the video useful, then of course, kick that like button, click the like button, click the like button. Click that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel of course, make sure you click on that bell for notifications of future videos, and I'll see you on the next video. Keep practicing, bye!